I like to call this video an almost AT trade of the day. And the reason I created it is because what I'm going to show you is clearly tradable. And it would have been displayed in real time if it wasn't for a technical glitch. And it's a takeaway that is part of this video that you really should pay attention to, because it can give you a clue when a market is topping out on the up or down side. Let's take a look at the almost AT trade of the day, July 21st, 2022. It's July 21st, 2022. In this 15-minute chart, you can see the price action in the euro-dollar after the ECB decision and the press conference that followed. It went straight up, then went straight down. And for full transparency, when it came down, I was trying to coordinate a video with a long trade somewhere in here based on this directional indicator. Unfortunately, I hit a glitch trying to coordinate the two, and I was not able to put the trade on and put the video on as well. So, but I said for full transparency, this was tradable, and that's why I'm calling it the trade of the day. But there are a couple of takeaways I want to show you. If you look at a 4-hour chart, when we did the drill down, you would have seen this key line. It's somewhere around 102.76. And what happened here for really 2 hours? I meant these candles on a 4-hour chart. We tried to get through it. So what did that tell you? It's almost a triple top here. It told you there were no stops to run. This market should have shot through here and headed for this line. So that was the first sign of a top. But that's one that was a little difficult to trade if you looked at some of the other charts. So just be aware of that. Then when you got down to the downside on a 30-minute chart, on a 15-minute chart, what do you see? Something very similar. We got through this low here, basically around 101.55, but we only briefly and marginally broke it. So there are no stops down here at all. So no stops on the upside on key level, and no stops on the downside here. So when you saw this directional indicator being formed, as long as you're a little patient, because it was not being shown in any other chart, it told you that this was worth a long. As I said, the idea of putting a long here was you could put your take profit somewhere below 102. And you see we did rally up. So I said, I won't call it the trade of the day. It should be the trade I was trying to put on for the day. And the reason I'm coming back to you with the key takeaways are 2 points. That there were no stops left to run, or that will run at least at a key level on the upside. And similarly on the downside, there are no key stops not left to run. That will run on the downside. The latter giving you this directional indicator. A little confidence you can put your stop below low of the day and see how it worked out. We got a third line, and that third line led to an acceleration until we came up to here, and now we backed off a little bit. So let's call that the would-be trade of the day, but one that was tradable. And had I not had any technical issues, one I would have put on and you could have seen in real time. For more information on The Amazing Trader, visit our website, or you can contact me directly at jay@theamazingtrader.com.